is Dondani and welcome to my channel, Her Ride Awakening. In this channel, I would love to share some fun times that I've had on my biking journey over the 1.5 years, but also share some tips and tricks on how to get into it, share resources for those that are looking, and then create a larger biking community. So welcome to my channel. In this video, I share a snippet of my quick ride on the N14. I used this video to share some fun facts about me. Well, I wouldn't call them fun, but like some facts about me so we get to know each other and you get to know who you're following and why. So come with me as we take a quick ride on the N14. Her Ride Awakening was started because I have a lot to share, okay? I love taking content, I love talking to people and working with people, so this is my outlet. But most importantly, we're gonna get into things around how to buy your first bike, who to train with, what riding school to go to, what to look out for when you're on the road, any other thing that we can chat about that can help you as you are thinking about how to get into biking. But most importantly, I will also share some of my fun rides, some of the moments I've had meeting people, but also just wind therapy. So stay tuned for this channel, subscribe, follow, like, comment, and see you soon.